Hello guys, today I'll be making a short video clip with my worship team and show you how our practice does. So yeah, I'm all set to move out now. But before I leave, let me show you my room. So this is where I sleep, and this is also my practice room. This is my piano cover to protect from dust. This is where I do my recording. And this is the kitchen attached with my room, so that whenever I'm hungry, I don't waste much time to prepare anything that I want to have. So yeah, this is all about it. And now I'm all set to move out. So let's go. So this is how the outside view looks like. That's it. And that's the car I'll be traveling with. My flowers. Let's move out now. Now it's break time. Time to eat. Biryani खाओ ना. कि लगा कौन लगा को दिला बिरयानी. बिरयानी तो मालूम. एक बार बिरयानी फ्रेश. हो. अंदर में पाए तो. Iku selip tu. Ini boleh buat itu nonton sana. Udah di padu lancar. Lima ni. Mem Lamza and his worship vocalist Amumwa, and we are heading to the restaurant to take biryani as a refreshment. So we are finally here, and we're going to take our biryani from there. Kila restaurant asli. Huh? Pancap. Okay, so guys, let's go and check out. This is our biryani we're going to have now. So let's get started. Okay. So we are back here after refreshment, and this is the power of biryani, the effect after having one plate of biryani. Goodbye, wave. Good night.
Bye. Bye.
Temperature, everyone. Good night, people of Dimapur.
Brother, please help me.
Arumong, please.
Na, sure ma. Na wall for tingin.
Jabo to.
Idea.
Lebih. Yun pa sa daw ko daw.
ठीक है.
So guys, we're done with our practice and everyone is leaving. Wala tino. Oh. Kita tuh mulai driver lagi mau vlog dulu. Kana sama gitu kan. Hanya suruh berpras saja. Nah, kita sudah sana aja. Kita ambil aslinya sih. Pindah na. Sama tindayo na pa naman. Nam tiya. Kaya natanggitan na ba sa kadiyo pa no?